Hi, good morning. Today we will see scales problem, a diagonal scale problem with the solution. First, we will go to the problem. So, this is the problem given. Construct a diagonal scale. RF is given as 1 by 50. RF is given as 1 by 50. So, that scale should show meters, decimeters, and centimeters to measure up to 5 meters and the mark a length of 4.75 on it. So first we will calculate length of scale. Length of scale is equal to RF into maximum length. RF is given as one representation factor will be 1 by 50 and maximum length is 500 meters means 5 centimeters. 50 ones, 50 tens. The length of scale will be 10 centimeters. Length of scale minimum should be 10 centimeters. Next thing is since it is up to 5 meters now, so therefore 10 by 5 meters, 10 by so 5 means each division will be 2 centimeters we will get. So let us go. So first we need to draw a horizontal line 10 centimeters long. It will be representing 5 meters. Divide, it will be equal to 5 parts. So divide equal to 5 parts. Each one will be representing 1 meter. That will be equal to 2 centimeters. Next one is first division is there now in that you divide first division into 10 equal number of parts, so that each division will be 1 centimeter. Next one is the first division now at the left from the upward from the left corner now a line upward from the left end and mark 10 parts of it of any distance. So this will be like this this will be 0, 1, second, third, and fourth, and this will be 10. So at the end now you make it as vertical divisions 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 like this. You have to make vertical divisions. Generally, no, you have skin at any convenient distances, but generally you will take 0.5 centimeters for each division like this vertically, and thereby we will complete one rectangle like this. Next thing is this will be ninth division will be there now. This ninth division will be joined with the 10th division of vertical. So this will be ninth division. Horizontal vertically, this will be the 10th division. Last one, we will join a ninth division with the 10th division. This one, and parallelly we will draw from each division. We will draw the parallel lines to the first division, first line, first incline line like this. Like this, you will get the diagonal scale. Let us go to the problem. So this is the thing. Total length will be minimum. It should be 10 centimeters. So this length is 2 centimeters. This is 2, and this is 2 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters. This is also 2 centimeters. So total 2 plus 2 plus 2, total will be minimum 10. So that it will be representing total this side 4 and this side 5 meters. Total 10 centimeters will be representing 5 meters. So here we need to start with numbering. We will leave the first division. There is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here each division will be in meters. Here each division will be in meters. This will be in meters. First division is there now. Divide into 10 number of divisions. For that you can use the geometrical construction. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be there. So this will be decimeters. This will be decimeters. Next one is divide from this 10th division now. This will be first division, second division, 10 divisions, third division, fourth division, fifth division. For each division you can take approximately 5 centimeters, or based on your convenient. Minimum it will be you take 0.5 centimeters only. If you want, you can take any convenient distance also. So this will be in centimeters. So like this we are constructing the diagonal scale. Now they ask to find 4.75. 4.75 meters can be written as 4.7 meters is equal to 4 meters plus next 7 decimeters plus 5 centimeters. So first we will note the 4 centimeters. Here we will make one vertical line, 4 centimeters. Next one is 7. We'll go to the 7th division. There we will draw one inclined line. No? There we will draw one inclined line where it meets the 5th horizontal line. No? That point there, no, you can draw one line like this. So this will be representing a length of 4 point. This will be representing a length of 4.75. So like this, we are drawing the diagonal scale. Very simple only. So first we need to draw total length will be 10 centimeters. Divide this one into 5 equal parts. Next one, divide this first division into 10 equal parts. Next, at the end, now left side end you draw. You take vertical divisions. Each division will be 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. There you draw horizontal lines. Next here, ninth division will be joined with the 10th vertical division. Ninth division will be joined with the 10th vertical division. And from each division you draw parallel lines to the previous line. Like that you will get all the inclined lines. So like this we are constructing the diagonal scale. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubts you can ask me. For more videos you can subscribe me at this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.